Tired of watching your crypto profits dip faster than a roller coaster? Let's take control with sell limit orders on Bybit. First, head over to Bybit and log into your account. Navigate to the trading pair you want to trade. Let's say you want to sell Bitcoin, so choose the BTC USDT pair. Next, find the order type drop-down menu. It probably says market right now. Click on it and select limit order from the options. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the price field, enter the exact price at which you want to sell your Bitcoin. Let's say you think Bitcoin will go up to $30,000. Enter that amount there. Then, in the amount field, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell at that price. This could be a fraction of a Bitcoin or your entire holdings. Just make sure you have enough in your account. You'll see advanced options like take profit and stop loss, but we won't cover those in this basic tutorial. Double check that your price and amount are correct. Once you're happy, click the Sell BTC button. Bybit will then place your sell limit order. You can see it pending in the Open Orders section. At the bottom of the screen, your order will only execute if the price of Bitcoin reaches your specified price of $30,000. You can always cancel your order before it's filled. If you change your mind or want to adjust the price, simply click the Cancel button next to your order. And that's it. You've successfully placed a sell limit order on Bybit. Now you can relax and let the market do its thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides.